Hi everyone, it's Jeva from nicolajo.com and I am back in YouTube after 2 long years, and this time I want to show you what it really is, what it really means to run a business, to run a small business from home, having 2 kids, 2 pets, a husband, a crazy life, and this time is perfect to record because I just received my inventory, so enjoy. So my baby's sleeping, my husband is sleeping. I'm trying to get this guy to sleep and he doesn't want to because he's playing castle with my boxes. Pick him up. And that's what happens when you work at home. Okay, so this is how it looks. I am almost done with putting everything out. I am gonna clean up all the trash that I have so I can clear up a little bit of space. That's what you're gonna see right now. Oh girl, if you thought that running small business from home is so perfect as you see on social media, let me tell you, it is not. But please don't let that discourage you from starting your own small business. It is worth it. So we spent all the morning outside, me and my kiddos. We just came back. I just had breakfast. It's probably 12:31 p.m. But since we have a little bit of sun, I'm gonna take the kiddos to the park. Me and my sister, we're gonna take the kiddos to the park. But because we are going out, I also want to take the opportunity to take some things to the USPS and UPS. I have one client that has been waiting for me 1 week. The order is pending because I didn't have 2 tools in the colors that she selected on the website. That she selected on the website. Do not move it. Do not move it. Don't move it, please. That she selected on the website. And finally, since I have my inventory, I am able to put her order all together and ship it today. So we're gonna do that here on this video. And yeah.
Watch train videos?
Do you want to watch train videos?
Yes.
For 30 minutes only? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So she got a seatbelt cutter. This is a car window breaker. This is a seatbelt cutter. And here we have a whistle. So she got one in pink, which is here. Let me put it back so I don't start mixing up stuff. Okie dokie. So she got the Love My Warrior self-defense basic set, which brings a pom-pom, bottle opener / can opener, a panic alarm, a Kubaton, a pepper spray, and then a wristlet. This is what she got. This is the Mora self-defense combo set that is on her order as well. It's a pom-pom, it's a bottle opener / can opener. Then we have also a panic alarm. We have the seatbelt cutter that is included in this set, in this combo. We have a kitty cat knuckle that is multifunctional. This is a bottle opener as well. And then we have these little holes here that serve as screwdrivers. So then we have a Kubaton. This is not a car window breaker. We have pepper spray, and then we have the wristlets that are made here in my house by me or my sister. We're gonna put this here. This combo also brings a stun gun that it's 96 million voltage. It brings a comb knife and then a pen knife. So this is the combo set. We have the car emergency self-rescue bracelet. Check my TikToks. Maybe I'm gonna post a video here in YouTube as well. But the main videos are in my TikTok account, which is Nicolajo, at Nicolajo on TikTok. This is what she ordered. She also got a pink stun gun and then a pink comb and knife. So we're gonna put this together. So I am gonna put here a little gift for her because she waited for me so patiently, and I love that. But I'm not gonna show it here because it's gonna be a surprise for her. She doesn't know I'm gonna put this. So we're gonna put that it's fragile, even though it's well packed. We're gonna put Happy Mail around here. It's gonna be where we put the other one here. And okay, here's the shipping label. Thank you so much, Danielle, for your order, for your support, and mainly for your trust. We already dropped the packages at the post office, and the good thing about working from home is that you can come right to the park after dropping your packages. Okay, so today is Saturday, 7 in the morning. I am at my workplace. I work here 30 hours a week, 2 days, 2 full days, and that is the only way that I can get out of my house without overthinking it, without feeling bad that I am leaving my kids in my house. If you have a small business, I mean, if you have a business or a huge business, you will know that to run a business from home or to take work to your house is overwhelming, because if you're trying to work, if your kid cries, you are gonna go and take care of him and leave whatever you were working on to take care of them. For the longest, I've been thinking, and I've been telling my husband, you know what? One day a week, I'm gonna go out to work outside, or I am gonna rent this place to work out there, and I'm gonna do this out of the house. And I just can't do it because I know my kids, they need me. So I think it will be a good idea if you, and this for me, and this might work for you as well. I think it will be a good idea to let somebody else take care of your kids, to pay a babysitter to take care of your kids in your house. If you have if you have trust issues like me, if you don't like when your kids are in under the care of someone else, this might work for you. Pay somebody to go to your house, pay a babysitter to go to your house and take care of your kids in your house, and that way you know that they are good, and that way you know that if they cry, he's gonna take care of them. I will be able actually to work and to relax because I know my kids are there. And that will be an investment as well, because while they are taking care of your kids, you are taking care of your business and you're making money. Yeah, that will be great. That will be great. That will be awesome. So I am gonna finish this video here. Let me see if I'm still recording. Yes, I'm still recording. I am running out of space on my phone. So I just wanted to show you that I went to Wawa's to get my breakfast. I have a smoothie, mango passion fruit with a little bit of oat milk, And then I got a panini. It's super great. Wawa is so underrated. I've been so into Wawas. I have a panini here, and it's the same thing that I always ask for. It's super good. Try it out. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Please like it, subscribe, share it, and follow me. Don't forget, on Friday, May the 12th at midnight, the website is gonna have a big restock and some new products. I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in TikTok, Instagram, or here in YouTube soon. Bye.